In order to simplify this right here, we need to get a common denominator. So if we look at both denominators, we have to make it so that the fraction, when we add this, this, and this, have all the same denominator. So we need both pieces in all of them. So I need to bring this into this one. So I'm going to multiply this right here times the x plus 4, top and bottom. And then I'm going to multiply this piece by the x minus 1. All right, so this is going to be an x minus 1 top and bottom. And then the last one, we need to multiply by both, which is quite a bit here, but it's going to be the x minus 1 and the x plus 4, top and bottom. All right, so watch what happens when we clean all this up. It's going to be a little bit of a mess. So, first of all, when I distribute this for the top, I'm left with x squared plus 4x. And that is all over the x plus 4, x minus 1. Okay, now I have the plus. So next I got to distribute this right here, which would become 3x minus 3 over the x plus 4, which is the same denominator as the previous one. So what you notice here is the bottom now match. See how the bottoms match? Now the tops we can't combine. But let's finish this one off as well. So for this last piece, the 1 doesn't really matter too much, but we have a minus here. We're going to FOIL this one out. Okay, the bottom's going to stay as x minus 1, x plus 4. I made a mistake there. That should be a plus 4. All right, so we kind of want to, little mistake, but I was able to catch that. All righty. So now I need to, when I distribute or FOIL the top, that becomes an x squared. And then I have a plus 4x minus 1x minus 4. All right, so all the denominators are the same. So what I now have, when I kind of squish this all together, is I have an x squared plus 4x. I have a 3x minus 3. And then I have a minus x squared. I can combine these two and make that a 3x minus 4. I have all that on top. And the bottoms are all the same, so we're just going to leave the bottom as x plus 4 times x minus 1. All right, so now what we have to do is clean up this top right here. So we're going to combine these and then subtract all of those. So I'm going to start by combining the first two pieces. So when I combine the first, I'm going to combine this plus this. So that would give me x squared plus 7x minus 3. Okay, that's the first piece. And then I am going to distribute that negative to all pieces because we're going to minus each piece. So that would be a negative x squared, a negative 3x, and a positive 4. So again, I am subtracting all of this right here. And then I combined all this, that's right there. And then I have that over this same x plus 4, x minus 1. Alrighty, now we got to simplify this. So what you'll notice is these right here are going to eliminate when we combine them. When we combine these, we are left with 4x. When we combine these two, we are left with positive 1. And on the bottom, we're left with the same x plus 4, x minus 1. The top does not factor, so what it is we are done. If the top factored, you try to factor and kind of simplify some more, but this would be your final result.